on. No, get down this end. This is where good stuff is.
Look at this. A dog actually eating corn on the cob. Wow.
Can you get a video of it?
This is video.
Look at you go,
Look at
girl.
her go.
You clean the kernel better than Mama does.
I want to know who's going to floss her teeth when we're done with this.
Look at you go. You like corn.
What?
This is so cute.
This is so funny. God, she's doing a really good job, too.
Mm-hmm.
She hasn't dropped a kernel yet.
Oh, she has.
Oh, okay. Hey, Sophie, is that yummies? Apparently we're going to have to start doing extra ear of corn for her.
Okay.
Oh, I guess she did
Yeah,
make
but
a
not
bit of a
bad.
mess, but here, that's the great thing about a dog. They're a Hoover. Sophie B. Hoover. Was that yummies? Hey, Sophers. Hey, was that good? Was it good?
High five.
Hey, Sophie. Sophie.
High five.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right. Good girl.